What's up? All right, we're out here at Heartland. Haven't been out here in a couple years. We just got a single day event. Just got our pits all set up. Got St. Louis Love behind. Bike's looking good, ready to rock and roll. Homie Matt's with me this weekend. Ready to rock and roll. Matt, when did you ride last? Daytona?
Daytona.
Hasn't ridden since Daytona. You guys remember how that went for me. Not too fantastic, so we'll skip on past that. But yeah, we're getting ready to go do riders meeting and then start burning some laps. Here we go. All right, hopefully you can hear me. Okay, let's try this again. Maybe do a little mic'd up. Okay, here we go. Getting a little torn up on that left side, so maybe we can clean that up while we're out here too. Here we go! Alright, hopefully y'all can hear me. Tip her into turn 1 here. Turn 2. We're going to try this mic'd up thing again, since the first one the camera was pointed way too down. Repositioned the camera, angled it up a little bit. We're going to give this a go. Matt, is it going? Is it red?
Yeah, it's flashing red.
Cool. Thank you. Alright, come over Alpha! Crest the hill! Hit the brakes and downshift. Open the throttle through 1. Keep opening through 2. Carry it all the way down to 3. Brakes at a downshift. Pull the line in tight. Stay on the clean track over here. Come through the exit. We got some traffic, so we're going to deal with him going into 7. So this is 6. We're going to get through 6. He's carried it well, so we'll get him coming out at 7. Yep, there we go. There it is. So it kind of got us a little offline. Hurt our drive, but that's okay. Bring it in. Trail it all the way in and totally off the brakes on the gas. Brakes downshift, off the brakes, brake, trail off the brakes on the gas, mid-track, brakes, and off the brakes. No brakes, a tiny bit just to tighten the line up. Gas, 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 gas. We got drive, but we can't make a catwalk pass. So we're going to go around the outside after Alpha. Here we go. Around the outside. Same thing, we're going to, I think that's Parker. Parker's pretty quick. Take a little bit to get up to him. We'll see. Get down here. Gripping that tank with that leg. Hands off the bars. Brakes, trailing off the brakes, brakes hard, tighten up, and off, brakes, alright, and then, I don't know who that is up there on the ZX-10, oh, running wide. Too far ahead. Luckily this little chicane here slows a lot of folks down. He's pitting. Oh, we got the lights, so we're pitting too. Alright, good session, good session. Need to make some changes. Soften the thing up a little bit. Probably take 2 PSI out of each tire, really. We'll see where we're at, but I think I'm wanting to go big. Take a couple PSI out and bring our preload back down 2 turns. That's what I added before this session. Maybe that'll keep our rear from bouncing around too much. And we gotta bring the lever in. So those are our changes for this session. All right, so lunch break, throw on some new tires, and then also some new brakes. Can't really get the camera in there. There's not much meat left on those, so yeah, it's time to change. So I'm just gonna hit these with the toothbrush and water. Well, I should pull those old pads out first, but you get the idea. Get those all cleaned up and ready to rock and roll.